Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for all you e-commerce enthusiasts. I'm going to show you how to seamlessly import products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. It's a game changer, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the CJ Dropshipping app on Shopify. With the app installed, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Apps. Look for the CJ Dropshipping app and open it. It may take a few seconds to load. Step 2. Search for products. Now that we're in the app, you can start searching for products to import. You can search by product category or use specific keywords to find the products you want to add to your store. Step 3. Add products to queue. Let's say, for example, I want to add some beauty products. Once you've found a product you like, click on Add to Queue. You can do this for multiple products. The queue helps you keep track of what you're importing. And then click Queue. Step 4. Configure pricing rules. Now the page was open, and click Select All. And then tap Auto Listing. And then wait, and choose Your Store. And select this one to import product to your store. Now, let's set pricing rules. You have two options here. You can multiply the prices by a factor, like 2 or 3, or you can set a fixed price for all products. I'll go with multiplying by 2 in this example, and select shipping cost included, and then you choose. Now confirm. The app will start importing the products into your Shopify store. This may take a few seconds. Step 5. Check imported products. The product import is complete. Let's head over to your Shopify store to check it out. You'll see the imported products there. You can also edit them to add your personal touch. You've successfully imported products from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Feel free to customize the product details and make any necessary adjustments to suit your branding and style. If you're seeking assistance with anything Shopify related, feel free to get in touch through my LinkedIn profile. Just click on the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel